Hey, I wanted to quickly share with you guys this fantastic free resource, and it is called Loom. So, on Loom, it's a great tool that you can record your screen and then instantly share it with others. So, you can share and download things onto YouTube, which is what I've been doing with a lot of my tutorials here. And you can also share them with families if you needed to. So, just so you know, I use the free version, and there is a subscription version where you can do basic, pro, business, or enterprise. So here are kind of your pricing points to look at them. I don't, like I said, I just do the free subscription. I create my videos, I record the screen, I check it out. You go over here to new video, you have a folder, and these are all the ones that I've worked on. Again, you could simply just get your point across. Maybe you want to explain something and you're sharing a technique or something. Maybe it's employees. Maybe you're trying to give a quick lesson to your students and you want them to know, hey, I want you to go to this website and this is how you do it. So you're explaining to them, I need you to go to, I need you to go to Pink Cat Games. And once you're there, this is where you're going to log in. And you can just tell them the instructions and let them know how to do it. So you may want to check it out. I think you're going to like it. Again, it's free. So it's a Loom. You can do a paid subscription if you like, but free works for me. So anyway, check it out. Thanks so much.